Hey, we got some wing, but we fly low, baby.
Yo, what is up guys? If you like that intro, make sure to smash that like button and consider to subscribe while you're here. Anyways, we're working on a 350z DEATH-KART and we put on a massive wang the other day, which you saw in the intro. It's a carbon fiber wing, which is originally for a Sylvia, but it suits the car very well. Lots of grinding happening here. And now we are test fitting the radiators for the back. So we got them in place and we're building pipes to go basically from the radiator all the way to the front of the engine, like so. We also got new coilovers that are sitting pretty on BC Racing. And the boys are here just chilling like on their phones. And hi, Salah, Casper. Busy.
We're busy thinking about this car. What should we do and what should we not
Hey, take a side shot of the car, like the whole side.
You leave the video to me. So we got a bunch of parts in today, yesterday, including the most important thing, the dildo shifter. Look at this baby glow.
There's nothing about this that screams.
Got some good grip on it as well. Need to connect that in. And we might also do some funky stuff with it so it lights up, for example, when the car hits the limiter or something like that. Also, we got some cool stuff on the other day. So we got this for the battery. So it's blue, fits the other hardware. We've got the pump for the radiator. Coilovers you've seen. We have the steering wheel. Momo, I hope it's an original. It looks like an original. Lightweight drifting, it says drifting on it, so you obviously know it's gonna be a drifting car. You need that written somewhere on it.
We didn't get that?
I don't know, maybe you press the button.
Okay. Hello.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. Okay, so this is the wing. As you can see, you know, we have 3 triangles here in the design. They start big and they go smaller, you know, as they go up. They look very symmetrical. If you notice, these lines here go with these lines here. They're the same level. And these lines go with this right here. If you notice how it is from the side, it kind of like hovers behind the car. We did the X here in the back to kind of brace everything together. So, you know, you can't twist it side to side. And it's pretty rigid. It's not going nowhere. So, I hope you guys like it. Radiator, we're working on the pipes today, and we're done with the shroud. We're done with these fittings. Now we're doing these hard pipes. They're gonna go up here and to the radiator.
Remember, keep the microphone pointed to whoever is talking.
What?
Or speak loud. Yes, hello. I think Salah should start vlogging. If he makes his own channel and Casper makes their own channel.
I have my own channel. My channel is just in the dust right now.
It's dead.
No, it's not.
It's dead.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You know how you do collabs?
Wait,
I can't collab with anyone.
I've come to talk with you.
What the fuck? Thank you, Mr. Salah, for your update. That was very informative. Man,
I got this. It's my turn now, right? So the most good-looking person of the group. So what I shall take you guys towards to now is the paint room and show you guys how far we are with the engine components. Gives you guys a better idea of how far and what it is that we have in mind. Right, I just need to go and turn on the lights, so background music. Need lights. So as the camera rudely interrupted me, so yeah, that's the rest of the car. Yes! Okay, what do we have? What do we have to buy?
Some hoses and some silicone hoses and a bunch of stuff. Let's go.
Let's go. So
Hold on, how do I go?
we're going to get.
You good?
No, I'm Gucci here, man. Feels like, I mean, the window is a little bit pathetic.
It feels like a boat, doesn't it?
No, it feels like an airplane, little airplane hole.
You know, when I always fly planes, I always get that seat that doesn't have a fucking window.
Never
You know, you get a
trust
window seat and doesn't have a window.
Never trust a car with
I'll do the
breaking
camera.
seatbelts.
Why is your traction control off?
Seatbelt.
You hear these guys have been driving to and from their cars and shops. Yes, okay. Alright. That's nice. Cool. Alright, well, you can see how this drive is gonna go.
No, I'm a safe driver, okay? I'm not him. If you're driving with this guy, you can't hold the camera straight. No stabilization will ever help you. What's man mode?
Man mode, everything off.
Don't do it.
I honestly, I once turned off the traction control of this car because I was doing an Instagram post. And I was like, oh my God, traction control. And I fucking forgot. And so like I got to a roundabout, I was like, oh, I'm gonna floor it a little bit. Whoa, what's going on?
I am gonna make a disclaimer, and I'm saying this on camera. For a Hellcat as big as this car is, the room here in the back is pathetic. It's really not very well thought out.
That's why you bought a Subaru.
Yes, because at least I can fit people in the back, Osama.
Yeah, but you can't drive so far with Ringland.
Bro, this is not like every other Bahraini car with tissues in the back. Us Europeans, we don't carry tissue in the car. This is funny actually, why don't we? It's very convenient.
Okay guys, so we're at Pro Racing. Came to see look at some parts. They got some pretty nice parts and bolts that we might need.
I'll make a quick phone call and I'll come join you guys.
Okay. And they got a lot of stuff for a lot of different cars. They're basically doing stuff for the radiator. So pipes and hoses and stuff, just so it's easier to dismantle it in halfway if any, you know, God forbid something happens that needs to be changed or checked. Casper is really enjoying this, checking out parts for his JDM.
So this.
He's loving it. Starting off with brakes, e-brakes as well. Unfortunately, we only found out they have e-brakes after we ordered ours. We'll probably get one here. PCM stuff, suspension, all that here. All that, you got air filters, got turbos, turbo kits, fuel cells, race fuel, helmets, steering wheels, bracing, parts for, I think this is oil coolers, more suspension, bits and bobs, NOS, mounts, transmission mounts and engine mounts. You got pedals, you got like covers for your like oil or radiator. There you go. Lots of little nuts to tie everything. You know, if you want to have a clean build, you want everything to be in the same color. That's nice, you know. Different fans, front ends, carbon fiber, lips, spoilers, different models. Mostly JDM, but also BMW as well. Lug nuts, spiky, non-spiky, long spikes, short spikes. A lot of cool stuff. Spacers. They have the ECUs, Haltech, turbos there, clutches, gear shifters, you name it. We're back from the shop and we're at the shop and we got new wheels! We bought knockoff wheels, real cheap. We don't plan on getting some expensive ones, and check them out. Got them real cheap because these will potentially be damaged while drifting. Oh damn.
Oh,
That looks great.
hell yeah. Hey, come here. Look at this. Like?
No,
That
we can
is-
still go with a different style, but
We can still go with 13.5 inch wide.
like the pick on Salah.
I think this is gonna look badass. And we're gonna paint them. So we need to check which color we want. We got a couple of options, as I mentioned earlier. And we got all of this stuff with Snowcat. So got 2 wheels here, but 2 wheels in the back. no problem. 3 men, 1 challenger, 1, oh God. We also got a piece of the exhaust, the muffler.
Let me show you how this is gonna. Okay, so this will sit somewhere like this. Okay, and we're gonna have the exhaust going to it, and then from here, we're gonna have like a snorkel, right? Like an old school kind of snorkel, and it'll be pie cuts, pie cuts, pie cuts, pie cuts, and then boom.
Coming back to the wing,
18 by 10.
we have these brackets installed, so we can literally get rid of the wing if there's too much downforce or it's too heavy in the back. They can take the wing off depending on the surface we're riding on. So we always have that option to take it off, and especially work on the rear part if we need to get to it a little bit easier if something happens. Hopefully not, but you never know. So this is what you do to piss off your friends when you have a really loud car. Hope they won't notice me turning the engine on. I'm sure they didn't. Woo! You like that? We're just checking out the valves we bought, if they fit properly on these wheels. We got 18s by 10.5 in the front and the back, and we got 18s by 9.5 in the front. So here's the front smaller ones, back ones with the lip. These are actually monoblocks. I've never seen monoblocks with the lip that big. So what was it? It was less than a, I think it was somewhere around $700 for the whole set. Amazing. Very tight?
Very tight.
Yes, 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 yes.
I cannot just get enough of how ridiculous this looks. I mean, look at it. Look at that from the back. God damn, imagine when it's painted. What do you think this is?
Beautiful.
What is it?
Filter.
Filter. Nice filter?
Very nice.
This one looking like flame.
Nice.
You like it?
Like it. Very nice.
What does it look like?
Look like same speaker.
Speaker. Boy, what does it look like?
Same like engine Apple, no?
Yeah.
From that side.
So as I mentioned before, this is a budget build, and we had to get some parts that are suspicious, I'd say. And one of them is the air filter, but it actually looks really cool. As you just saw, it looks like this kind of airplane engine turbine, something like that. I was actually wanted to get 2, but you know, I don't think we can do that. Maybe dual throttle body later on, I don't know. Anyways, here we go. The company is called UN. We are helping the United Nations with this. We are good people. I mean, come on! Do you know we're actually saving people's lives with this filter?
What's that?
But it's by the UN, United Nations. Are you?
Well, at least it has. If it's half as good as a K&N, it has an N in it, we're good.
Or maybe it's no.
Yeah.
Earlier when I was showing you the parts, I didn't show you the lug nuts, and now I put them on the wheel. The wheels are gonna be painted, but you can check out what this looks like. God damn, look at that! If that isn't JDM, I don't know what is.
That's rice on a whole new level.
That makes rice.
Insane.
That looks so dope. Looks so dope! If you don't like this, just go away, unsubscribe, I don't care. like if you can't handle this, then you can't handle it. It's only gonna get crazier from here.
I got you, bitch. I'm taking the camera. Final goodbyes, because our homie, dear friend, is gonna go away for a few days. So me and Salah are gonna take over for a while. We'll make sure that everything is gonna be done, and we'll make sure that when he comes back and sees the car, he's gonna be in for a big ass show.
10 days, 10 days. That's how long I'm gonna be away, and that's how long there might not be a video about the car, but I'll try to keep up posting some stuff.
You've seen what we can do in 7 days, so you're gonna be in for a big.
I'm sure it's gonna be completely crazy. I just hope it's not cut in half. Anyways, guys.
Hey, whatever you're watching, man, none of that nonsense. Watch this. This is where it's at. This is what's happening.
Sweat, blood, tears, we out.
any better than this, baby.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Adios.